This is how you make my baby back candy ribs in the oven. And oh yeah, they fall off the bone too, shawty. Get you 2 slabs of baby back ribs. Make sure they're nice and dry. No need to remove the membrane, just score the back with a paring knife. For flavor, I'm coming with that Memphis bussin' barbecue rub. All the flavor you need to make some bussin' ribs at home. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Now you might be wondering why I didn't use a binder. Because you don't need one. That's right, no mustard, olive oil, nothing. All you need to do is season your ribs and let them sit for 30 minutes so that seasoning sticks to the ribs. Make sure your ribs are elevated on a cooling rack, and then add half a cup of apple cider vinegar so that the steam can keep your ribs nice and moist. Bake at 250 for 2 hours. Remove your foil. And now I know they don't look the prettiest, but we're gonna put a little makeup on these things. I'm using some barbecue sauce straight out of Chicago, black owned. It's called Old Arthur's. Slab up your ribs with that barbecue sauce. Put them back in the oven uncovered. Broil on high for 5 to 10 minutes, but keep an eye on them so you don't burn them. Now all you gotta do is chop them up, and just like candy, you're gonna be dancing in your kitchen tonight, shawty. That's good, shawty.